In a vast, verdant marshland, where the sun kissed the water's edge, lived a young plover named Pippin. Pippin was not like the other birds, for he possessed a patience beyond his years. One day, as the sun began to set, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink, Pippin noticed a tiny, struggling fish floundering near the surface of the water. Compassion welled up within him, and he felt an urgent desire to save the fish. With a determined stride, Pippin waded into the marsh, his heart pounding with anticipation. He reached out with his beak, but just as he was about to grasp the fish, a gust of wind sent him tumbling into the water. The fish slipped away, disappearing beneath the surface. Pippin surfaced, crestfallen. He felt a pang of disappointment, but he did not lose hope. He knew that patience would lead him to the fish. So, every day, Pippin returned to the spot where he had first seen the fish. He waited, patiently, for what felt like an eternity. And one day, as the sun was setting, the fish reappeared, weak and exhausted. Pippin, with a gentle beak, scooped up the fish and carried it to a nearby reed bed, where it could rest and regain its strength. The fish, grateful for Pippin's patience, promised to reward him one day. Years passed, and Pippin grew old, his once vibrant plumage now faded. But he continued to live in the marsh, his patience as unwavering as ever. One day, as Pippin sat by the water, his eyes grew heavy. He felt an odd sensation, and when he opened them, he found himself standing in a beautiful meadow, surrounded by flowers of every color. In the center of the meadow stood a tree, its branches laden with the most succulent, juiciest berries Pippin had ever seen. The fish, now transformed into a wise old turtle, approached Pippin. "I am grateful as you have been patient, Pippin. Here, take these berries. They will bring joy to all who eat them." Pippin, filled with gratitude, thanked the turtle and took the berries back to his marsh. Every bird in the marsh tasted the berries and found themselves filled with a newfound sense of peace and happiness. And so, the story of Pippin, the patient plover, spread far and wide. It served as a reminder to all that patience, though it may take time, always leads to a reward.